I am Mohammad Izazul Haq. I cleared RRB JE 2013 SNT drawing written examination. I am going to start the previous year question paper series on this channel. The online applications are now active for RRB JE 2025. The last date to apply is December 12th. You can take an academy subscription for RRB JE as well. Use the code PLUSMFJK1 to get 50% discount on the subscription. This is a limited period of hurry. The first paper we are starting is of 2024 RRB JE CBT-1 held on 16th of December, SHIFT-1. The first question is, if 50 men can do a piece of work in 12 days, the number of men required to complete the same work in 50 days is. Here the formula is MDH, that is total number of men into number of days and number of works, number of hours they work. Men into hours into days. In the first case, the number of men are 50 and the number of days is 12. Hours is not mentioned. So 50 into 12 is equal to 600. And in the RHS, there is no number of men. You have to find number of men. And number of days 50. So 600 by 50. The answer will be 12. M1 D1 equal to M2 D2. You have to use. Second question is on compound interest. Common invested sum of 5,000 at 20% per annum. Compound interest compounded annually. If she received amount of 8640, find the number of n, that is the number of years. For compound interest, there is formula amount equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n, where R is the rate of interest and n is the number of years. By substituting the value of R equal to 20, we can find the value of n. The answer comes 3 years. Third question. If a child has Y chromosome from his father, what will be the sex of child? The answer is male. If the male gets Y chromosome, it will be a female. XX equal to male, XY equal to female. The child gets X from mother. Based on the chromosome from father, it will depend. If the child gets Y, it's male. If she gets X, she'll be female. Next question number 4. There is a series given. We have to find next number that is missing. The series is 17, 22, 37, 62, 97. Seeing the difference 5, 15, 25, 35. The difference is 10 between the difference. That is second two difference we have to find. 5 and 15, 10. 10 and 15, 25, 10. The next should be added 45. The answer will be 142. 142 plus 97 plus 45 equal to 142. Next question. This is an coded series. It is given in the code. A stands for division, B stands for multiplication, C stands for addition, and D stands for subtraction. And the question says, in which case the answer should be 55. By substituting the equation, the codes will get answer as B. In these kind of questions, we have to substitute the value of A, that is division. The number which gets divided perfectly, that will be the option correct answer. Or else you can substitute all the values of A, B, C, D and check the answer. Next question, number 6. There is a series given and we have to find how many symbols are there in which each is immediately preceded by a number and also immediately followed by a number. The answer is 2. There are 2 such numbers, 2 such digits. Phi sigma 4 and 7 are at the rate 6. 2 symbols, ऐसे सिंबल्स के आगे और पीछे दोनों डिजिट्स रहना है. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस देख के ही हम लोग को आंसर मिल जाता है. Need not use pen and paper for this type of questions. Next question, number 7. Two pieces of cloth measure 96 and 144 meters.
RRB हो गए सब बाद में क्लास लेते करते समझ में आया. डांस करना को क्लास नहीं है तो डांस कर जा कर ले.
बुक्स निकाल के आज पढ़ लेता हूँ. जगह टीवी चलता है रवीश कुमार. एक मिनट बुक लेकर आता है. The third proportion of 12, 24 is x. What is the value of x? The answer is 48. Twelve is 24 equals to 24 is to x. The answer will be 48. Next, as on September 24, how many Jan Ashadi Kendras have been established by Government of India across the country? The answer is 13,822. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस देख के ही हम लोग को आंसर मिल जाता है. नीड नॉट यूज पेन एंड पीसेस without any reminder. We have to find the HCF for these two numbers, 96 and 144. The answer will be 48.
फोन उठे से बाद फिर कॉल करके हाँ.
अस्सलाम. कब नको नको ना, एक दिन छुट्टी दे दो प्लीज. प्लीज एक दिन छुट्टी. पीछे ठीक है बुक
मतलब क्या मैं क्लास आज
Which of the following does not represent a chemical neutralization reaction? A neutralization reaction is given when acid and base react to form salt and water. In the option number D, there is CO2 gas that is released, so this is not a neutralization reaction. Next question. An EMF is induced whenever the charge in the magnetic field is linked with electric circuit. This is stated by which theorem? Answer is Faraday's law. Next question. The third proportion of 12, 24 is x. What is the value of x? The answer is 48. Twelve is 24 equals to 24 is to x. The answer will be 48. Next. As on September 24, how many Jan Ashadi Kendras have been established by Government of India across the country? The answer is 13,822. That was on September 30, 2024. Next question. Number 12. In a parallel circuit, how does the voltage across each resistor compare to total voltage supplied in the battery? It remains the same. Next, question number 14. Among the following secured in gold medal for India, which are the following secured gold medal for India in Paralympics 2024? The answer is Avani Lakhera. Avani Lekhara secured gold medal in women's 10-meter air rifle shooting. Next, question number 14. There is a code that is given hash equal to kgn. You have to find the next one. The area of square is 289 meters square. Find the length of each side. It is root over 288 is 17. Next, two set of numbers are given as 17, 21, 30 and 14, 18, 27. We have to find the third which is similar. The answer will be 23, 27, 36. Here the second number is first number plus 1 square, second is second number plus 2 square, third is third number plus 3 square. The power in a circuit voltage is V and the current is I. During time interval T is the value of current is V equal to IR. The power equal to V into I is the formula. Next one. The first session of Indian National Congress took place at which place? Answer is Bombay. Next. Write the expanded form of the equation 4a square plus 9b square plus 5c whole square. 4a plus 9b plus 5c whole square. The answer will be 25c square plus 81b square plus 16a square plus 72ab plus 90bc plus 40ac. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2ac plus 2ca is the formula of a plus b plus c whole square. Why is bleaching powder used in disinfecting drinking water? The answer is it releases chlorine which kills germs. Next. Radhika travels a distance of 230 kilometers at a speed of 46 km/h and 400 kilometers at 100 km/h. Find the average speed. Total distance with total time is the formula. The total distance traveled is 630 kilometers and the time is 5 plus 4, that's 9 hours. The answer will be 70 km/h. The first time we will calculate by using the formula speed equal distance by time. 230 by 46 will be 5 hours. Second 100 by 400 will be 4 hours. 5 hours plus 4 hours, total 9 hours. 9 hours is the total time and the distance is 230 plus 400, that is 630 km. 630 km in 9 hours. So the answer will be 70 km/h. Next question. Write the expanded form of 8a plus 3b plus 9c whole square. Here also you will use the same formula. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. The answer will be 64a square plus 9b square plus 81c square plus 48ab plus 54bc plus 144ac. Next. 6 students standing in a round, sitting around a circular table facing each other, facing the center L. L is immediate neighbor of both J and H. That is JLH is the first hint. Second, I is sitting second to the left of J. That is I dash J. In dash J can come or H can come. Next, K is third to the right of G. G is immediate neighbor of I and both I and H. That is IGH. The position of how many person will remain unchanged if the person arranged in English alphabetical order in the anti-clockwise direction from G to G. The answer is 4. Next question, number 24. Which of the following countries hosted the first business summit of Bay of Bengal initiative of multi-sector technical and economical operational BIMSEC in 2024? The answer is New Delhi, India. Next, based on English alphabetical order, 3 of the following letters clusters are alike, which is different. You have to find the odd one out. The answer is second one, RUAF. Next, question number 26. A shopkeeper bought articles for ₹740. At what price should he send to make profit of 20%? The answer is 888. Next, each of the following used to determine the direction of the force of current carrying conductor in the electric motor. Fleming's left-hand rule. Fleming's left-hand rule is used to determine the direction of the force in the current carrying conductor in the electric motor. Next question, number 28. Which of the following committees suggested that the duty to pay tax should be fundamental duties of a citizen? Answer is Swaran Singh Committee. Swaran Singh Committee. Next, which are the following numbers and symbols, and we have the series given. We have to find the which is immediately preceded and also succeeded by a symbol. And there are 4 such terms: 8, 4, 8 and 2. 2, 8, 4, 8. Next one. Who is the author of the book The Great Indian Novel, published in 2011? The answer is Shashi Tharoor. Next. The cost of washing machine is 75% less than the cost of the TV. The cost of washing machine increases by 77% and that of TV decreases by 27%. What is the change in the cost of 8 washing machines and 2 TVs? Answer is increases by 25%. There are 120 students in 3 sectors A, B, C. The average marks of 3 section is 85. The average mark of B and C is 88 and 78. The number of students in A are 36. The marks secured by 10 students is given. We have to find the mode. Mode is the highest frequency. 16 appears 3 times, so the answer is 16. No need to use pen or paper for this type of questions. Next, the question number 34 is, what is the power device that draws 1.75 amp of current and 180 watts source? Power equal to current into voltage, that is 1.75 equal into 180. Answer is 315 watts. Next, question number 35. The conductor of electric field is used to reverse the direction of the current flowing through the coil. Commutator is used. Next, question number 36. What are the generator cells used by Hydra? The answer is D. They are used for reproduction by budding. Next, this is the question on profit and loss. Shopkeeper list fan 20% above, mark price 120, offers 20% discount. Discount equal 20%. If he earns profit of 150%, what is the list price of the fan? The cost price is, if cost price is X, list price is 120X and selling price is 108X because it's offering 20% discount. The 10% discount on 120X is 108X. The profit is 150 rupees. That is equal to 8x. 100 plus 8x equal to 100. So x equal to 2250. What is the primary purpose of electric flux in the household circuit? The answer is to prevent overloading of the short circuit. Next, question number 39.
राजनीतिक फायदा लेने के लिए तब उस समय मीडिया जो है अपना दायित्व क्यों नहीं निभाता? सर, आपको लगता नहीं है कि अगर कोई आप लोग
This number per given, second number is related to first number in some way. We have to find the third number which is similar to the first and second given in the question. The logic is first number minus second number is 2.8. So the answer is B. Next question number 40. Two taps can fill the pipe in 2 and 54 hours respectively. The third pipe can empty the tank in 54 hours. In how much time it can fill the empty tank? Let the total capacity of tank be 54. Taking the LCM of 254. The LCM 54. On solving the question, the answer will be 2 hours. नेक्स्ट सवाल है, if there are two pipes which can fill the tank in full 2 hours and 54 hours, and third tap that can empty in 54 hours. How long will it take to fill the empty tank if all the three are open together? एक है जो 2 घंटे में भरता है, 54 घंटे में खाली करने वाला है, 54 घंटे में पूरा करने वाला है। तो 54 खाली करने वाला, भरने वाला तो निकाल दो वहाँ से, तो बचा है 2 घंटे में पूरा करने वाला। तो आंसर हो गया 2 घंटे। ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के लिए पेन और पेपर की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है, बस क्वेश्चन ठीक से पढ़ो ढंग से और आंसर आ जाता है। 2 घंटे, ये 54 घंटे का भरने का, 54 घंटे का निकालने का, बस ऐसे एडिशनल ऐड कर दिया है। सीधा सवाल है, अगर एक टैंक 2 घंटे में भरता है तो कितने घंटे में लग भरेगा? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एक पाई डायग्राम दिया है, वेन डायग्राम। जिसमें पुलिसमैन है, फुट सेलर्स है और इंडियंस है। क्वेश्चन है, हाउ मेनी पुलिसमैन एग्जिस्ट वर ऑल्सो इंडियन एंड फुटबॉलर्स? तो आंसर होगा तो वो पोर्शन जो तीनों में आ रहा है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, washing soda is obtained from which compound in slower process? Answer is sodium bicarbonate. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, कोडेड इक्वेशन दिया है, जिसमें दिया है कि if A stands for division, B stands for multiplication, C stands for addition and D stands for subtraction, solve the series। इसका आंसर आएगा 107। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which of the following is released in the 4th edition of SDG India Index? National Institute of Transforming India। Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog releases the 4th edition of SDG India Index. Next question number 45. Which of the following is a product of neutralization of hydrochloric acid and sodium hydrochloride? The answer is sodium chloride in water. HCl plus H2O. What is the pH range of acidic solution? The answer is 0 to 3. The dark blue color of pH scale refers to strong basic solution. Next is feed instructions for the question. A direction. This is question from direction. The comet starts from point A and drives 17 kilometers towards north, then takes left turn 13 kilometers, again left turn 21 kilometers, and finally drives 4 kilometers and stops. Where is it standing from the starting point? It is 5 kilometers to the east. Next question. Which of the following statements describes accurately the moral suasion of controlling money? It is the composition of persuasion and pressure used by RBI to influence the bank's lending behavior. A. मोरल सुएशन मतलब RBI कमर्शियल बैंक्स को लोन लेने में जितना एनकरेज करता है और लेंड करने के लिए रोकता है उसको बोलते हैं This is the legal binding given to RBI by the RBI to the commercial bank, encouraging them to act in a way that aligns with the central bank of its objectives. The RBI don't use to restrict regulation but relies on मतलब आरबीआई डायरेक्ट हम लोग को कंट्रोल नहीं करता है लोन देना है नहीं तो वो बैंक को कंट्रोल करता है तो बैंक उस हिसाब से जितना लोन दे सकता है उसका कंट्रोल कर लेता है अपने आप अगर इंटरेस्ट रेट ज़्यादा लेता है आरबीआई तो वो कस्टमर ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट चार्ज करता है नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 27 Akshat completes the work in 20 hours and covers half the distance of 15 kilometers per hour and the rest at 95 kmph. What is the length of the journey? फर्स्ट जो जर्नी कंप्लीट करता है वो 20 आवर्स में 57 kmph से वो D/2 हुआ, तो टोटल डिस्टेंस हो गया ट्वाइस ऑफ डेट 1425. Next is to find the odd note based on the English alphabetical series. Answer is A, F, H, T. What property of carbon dioxide allows it to form the long chains and rings? The answer is ability to form multiple bonds. Next, what is the average of all the natural numbers from 1 to 71, 1 to 91? The answer is 46. One plus 91/2. First digit plus last digit by 2. The answer will be 46. Next question 54. This is coding decoding. हाउस फायर गैस का कुछ कोड दिया है, स्टेशन हाउस वाम को एक कोड दिया है और हमसे पूछा है कि गैस का कोड क्या है. सो बेस्ड ऑन द टू स्टेटमेंट्स वी कैन फाइंड इट एज pH. नेक्स्ट, which is the natural ecosystem? Answer is forest. Next, which of the following is effective method to reduce plastic waste? The answer is recycling and reducing plastic materials. Reuse, reduce and recycle. Triple R. Next, who among the following is India's first civilian space tourist? Answer is Gopichand Tatakura. Every year, foreign trade policy has been declared by which ministry? The answer is Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Next, find the simple interest on ₹4,000 at 5.5% per annum. From 2024 Jan to April. Jan to April मतलब 3 months, 1/4 of year. तो PTR पे 100 लगेगा तो आएगा 35 रुपीज़. और यहाँ पे दिया है हम लोग को 5.25 और टी हो गया 1/4. What determines the sex of a child in human? Answer is genetic constitution. मतलब जो मदर से तो सबको एक्स ही आता है, फादर से अगर हम लोग को एक्स आया तो वो होगी फीमेल, और वाई आया तो वो होगा मेल चाइल्ड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, Ethnic rank 20 from the bottom and 30th from the top. How many students are there in the class? The answer is 49. Next question, what is the average of natural numbers from 1 to 92? 46 and half. 1 plus 92 by 2, that is 93 by 2, 46 and half. Next, which of the following reactions represents the combination of methane? The answer is A. CH4 मतलब मीथेन है। The length of each of two sides of an isosceles triangle is 100 centimeter. Find the length of the base, and the length of base is 6 centimeter. Area find करना है। We can use the formula S into S minus A minus into S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is the same perimeter. A plus B plus C by 2, where 56. A plus B plus C हो गया 100, तो A plus S हो जाता 50. 50 into 50 minus आंसर आता 2688. Next, in a series of combination of resistors, how is the voltage distributed across each resistor? Directly proportional to the resistance, as V equal to IR. What is the process of sodium hydroxide is prepared? Charcoal alkali process. The number when increased by 50% gives 2820. Find the number. Answer is 1880. If the real number is x, then 1.5x is 2820. The value of x will be 1880. Coming to the next question, 61. Which method of reproduction is used in plants where only a single parent is involved? The answer is sexual reproduction. Question number 62. Hardik ranked 20th from the bottom and 30th from the top of the class. How many students are there in the class? The answer is 30 plus 22 minus 1, that is 49. 20 plus 30 minus 1.